Who loves eggplant? Hey everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Look at this nice little garden that we have here. Some dalo, some nice other root crops over here growing. And we are on a 609 square meter residential lot right now in Vatualevu, which is near Nadi, and you can see small aircraft there, planes in the air, going into the domestic airport here in Nadi. We're in the Vatualevu area, Lenga, and this 609 square meter residential lot in a very nice community is available on a native lease with about 90 years left on the native lease. And this is available with plans, and you can see, I'm going to come back here, this Nealfield development, it's called here, and they are still doing work over there. So this area is getting built out. This is one of the few lots remaining in this first section of the development, and it is available with plans. And so a lot of these lots are going for around 200 to 250,000 Fijian dollars, and this is basically ready to go. So you can come in here and build a dream home of your choice, or with the plans that we have already with this owner. They've been approved by town council, and what you're going to have here is you're going to have this fully fenced, gated residential duplex. You'll actually have 2 units. You'll have 2 3-bedroom flats available right here, single level, nice backyard where I'm standing, with separate entrance over here for one, separate entrance here for the second unit. So you can live in one, rent the second one out, and yes, you can still keep these gardens here as well. So you're going to want to find out more. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we can get you all the details. This is a really great opportunity for somebody who wants to move to Fiji but doesn't have a lot of the time or resources in order to get something built and go through that process, which can be lengthy and also sometimes expensive. So all that's done for you. All you need to do here is come and get in here, move to Fiji, and right here you can pick 1 3-bedroom unit here, 1 3-bedroom unit here. And if you have a big family, how great is that? You can have 2 units right on the same lot here together, as these families have done here and also here. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We hope you're having a beautiful day. A little cloudy here in Fiji today, but cool air. It's just really nice and beautiful. The birds are singing, and we're waiting for you to get here as well. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Vinaka. Bye.